Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about for loop in Julia programming language. Okay, and in Julia there are two constructors for repeated evaluation. The first one is while loop and the second one is for loop. And I discussed about while loop in my previous video. Please check it out. In this video we will discuss about for loop. Okay, let me show you a simple example using for loop. Here for I in 1:5. Okay, print I, then type end. Now I am going to execute this block of code. Here, this is the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1:5 is the range representing sequence of number, and 1:5 it contains the list of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this loop iterate over the values. This for loop iterate over these 5 values and assigning each value to I. Okay, first one I have the value 1, then print 1, then also again come to this line and again I have the value 2 and then print the value of I 2 here and go on. Okay, and this variable I is visible only inside the for loop. Okay, and we cannot access this variable outside the loop. It will cause an error. Simply here I am going to I have the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I am going to access the variable I. Just type I. Now I am going to execute. Here I is not defined. Here the I is visible only inside the for loop and we cannot access the variable I outside the for loop. Okay, and the another thing is that we can write for loop in another way, that is you can use equal and the Unicode symbol, this one also use instead of in. Okay, let me show you. Okay, the same example for I equals 1:5, print ln I, then end. Now I am going to execute. Here the same output, and also you can use this Unicode symbol instead of equal. Okay, I am going to copy paste this block of code and okay, now I am going to execute. Here this is the output. In these ways we can write the for loop. Okay, and instead of this range of number we can use the list also. I will show you. For I in, here I am going to write the list 5, 8, 9, 4. Then print the value of I. Okay, then end. Here you can use the the range of numbers and also list. In this list we can use the integers and also the string variables. Okay, and hope you guys get for loop in Julia programming language. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you for watching.